going to show you how to scalp the markets. And a warm welcome to one and all. And for those of you not seen me before, my name is Langers. I am the overgrown child that is the Scruffy Trader. What I'm trying to do is kind of give you an insight into what I do for a living and maybe show you a trick or two along the way. So if that sounds good, please click the little subscribe button. Genuinely helps, as does commenting and liking the videos. And if you want to see future content, smash the little bell icon as well. So how am I going to scalp the markets today? Because the big fella doesn't like scalping. Right, I don't. But it's not to say it can't be fun. And it is fun, as long as you do it in short bursts. You see, the industry standard is you're in, you're out, you're in, you're out. And you hear me say it all the time, and I kick it into the Lambo boys. But the truth of the matter is, scalping is incredibly difficult. But not technically. Technically, it is as simple as any other trade, because trading, believe it or not, is quite simple. The hard part of trading is you, and it is over trading, putting too big a position on, making certain your money management's out of whack. In other words, trading without a stop or trading without a plan as to how to get out of a trade. And these are the elements that sort of cripple accounts. And if you can get around that and sort of master your mindset, you're halfway there. And then the technicals will get you the rest of the way.
No way!
So why am I doing a scalp? It's because I've been requested for it time and time again. I genuinely want to be in all the time. And all I'll say is, I've said it many times in sort of short time frame trading that I've said to you guys, score, score, stop. And what that means is just calm yourself down. Right? I often tell you guys I trade once, twice a day if I'm lucky. Score, score, stop. And that's it. When I've been paid, I just quit and I do it again tomorrow. Principle is the same with scalping. Even if you're down to a 1 minute chart, which is what I'm going to show you today. Get in, get paid, get out, quit. Okay? Just don't overtrade and you'll find that your money will rack up.
Isn't that logical?
So let me pull the screens up and I'll show you a simple but effective system.
We're waiting.
Okay guys, so come on to my charts. And this is about as simple a strategy as you can get. All right, it's one moving average with multiple time frame confirmation. Okay, and all you're looking for is it's a scalp trade, so it's on a 1 minute, so you're only looking for 5-10 pips at best. Okay, so let's have a look, see what the criteria is. You've got a 20 moving average, just like so, and you want it all in alignment. So the hour, the 15 and the 5 all want to be in alignment. Okay, but you also need a pivot point. How do you get a pivot point? Well, you're looking for an extended move. So you can see that move started there and it's ended here. How do we know that? Because you can see the dip down there and you can see the curl over at the top. So if you draw a fib on from the bottom of here to the top of there, thank you, my love. How good is she?
Oh, you're my friend now.
I'm always your friend. Are you going to put that bikini on? I thought you were laughing.
You dirty old man.
I'll keep trying. I keep trying. God loves a try. Right. So as you can see, the line that I drew in marries up to the 50 of the fib. Okay. And all it's for, it is just an attraction point. In other words, you want to be working your way down into it or away from it. In this case, we're working our way into it because it is the center of that big move. Rotation, all right, because markets will rotate. So, are we good to go? So this one is looking short. Whoops, gone the wrong way, sorry. 15. We are still short. 5 minute. We are still short. All right. What does that mean? It means all three of those time frames are below the 20 moving average. Simple. So the theory is it will continue its journey. And now what we're waiting is for a break of this moving average. Simple as that. And as soon as it breaks, we get it. So what I'll do is I'll just leave the camera running, and when the opportunity presents itself, I'll trade it. Okay, so it's tagged it in, and we'll just see what happens. And what you do is, I'm just going for 5 pips, so it's nice and easy. Get 5 pips in, boom. 5 pips in, boom. So it's almost there. Come on, down you go. Come on. There we go. Sorted. So there's your first 5 pips in a couple of minutes. All right. What do you do now? Well, you just wait. What are you waiting for? You're waiting for this one to close. And then you enter again. Just like so. There we are. In again. And as long as the price stays below this moving average, we keep doing it. Simple as that. And the idea is score, stop. In other words, do it twice, then stop. Give yourself a break. Let the market kind of reset, if you like. Because if you try to do it over and over again, you'll find that you'll win, and the last one will take the money off you. Now, you can scale out of this, so you could sort of take 80% of it or sort of 90% of your trade off and leave a little bit running just to see if it keeps on going, but constantly keep doing it to build up a position, if you like, because there's going to be a day that it is going to run forever. But the idea of this is really just to get the conditions right. In other words, hour 15.5 all in alignment, and then you're using your minute to get in. All right, but you're getting in the same direction as the other 3 time frames. That way it gives you best opportunity in order to get onto, well, a winning trade, I suppose. So I'll let this one play out and just see what happens. Hopefully it'll only take a minute or 2 and we'll be good. There we go. Happy days, happy days. And that's it, guys. It's literally is as simple as that. I mean, there you go. There's 50 quid in 4 minutes. And it really is that simple. Trading doesn't have to be, bear with me just a second. There we go. Trading doesn't have to be difficult. A lot of the time, I genuinely think it's over-engineered. You're looking for the magic pill or the silver bullet, as I alluded to the other day. That is a short time frame version of the silver bullet. In other words, it's everything in alignment, looking for that magic shot. And if you can be disciplined enough to wait, the fruits are genuinely there for you guys. So just in recap for this little system, it is a 20 moving average. You look for 3 alignments, hourly, 15 and 5, and you can enter on the 1 minute. You can scale it up and go 4-hour hourly, 15, enter on a 5 or up again. So the principle works on it all, and the idea behind it is the 20 is giving you the direction, but you put in a boundary pivot point, if you like. I used a Fibonacci for this one, but you can also use a standard pivot. So in this case, the reason I put the Fibonacci on is because the standard pivot was just blown out of the water. It wasn't anywhere to be seen. But if the price is contained within that, you can then use that pivot, and the pivot is kind of your stop point. That's as far down as you want it to go. All right, it's just helping you put in a few boundaries onto your trade. So simple stuff. Back test it, play with it. Hopefully you can put it in your tool bag. But as I always say, less is more. Don't outstay your welcome. Get in, get your money, get out. Do it again, and then have a break. Score, stop. Okay, it is the word to the wise. So there you go. But if you're interested in all of this, I'm very easy found. You'll find my contact details in the description. I do run a Discord group and one thing and another called the Scruffy Squad, where I go right into trading, show exactly how I trade on a daily basis and also on a swing trading basis. And if you're interested, you'll find all those details there as well. So as always, guys, do what you love and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.